So you all heard how Cubana Chief Priest was at a show recently, and the way the crowd reacted, nobody expected it. They booed him. Something surprising happened in Abuja. Not just small reaction, we are talking about full-on rejection. Some people in the crowd were even shouting that they no send him papa, even insulting him openly. Honestly, I felt for him. Because if you know how things used to be, this one will shock you. So Cubana Chief Priest was in Abuja yesterday, and from the video making rounds, you can clearly see he wasn't welcomed the way the people reacted and expected. In fact, even he himself looked surprised. Now I need you to watch this video carefully because the energy, no balance at all.
I'd like to receive on stage one of my favorite people. I'll tell you. I think City should be the next headies. Abuja, if you're ready, let's receive Chief Priest. Come on! Abuja, waiting the song. So they call me, make a come perform for now. I know the echo. I know the echo.
After seeing it, ask yourself, what's really changed? Because this same Abuja crowd, this same city, there's another video from sometimes last year where Cubana Chief Priest was performing and the love was very massive. People were vibing, people were singing along, word for word, the energy completely different. So what's really happened between then and now? A lot of people are pointing fingers at one major thing: his association with Obi Cubana and their involvement with the City Boys movement. Since then, if you check online, especially in comment sections, the tone has really changed. Criticism has increased, backlash has grown, and now it's no longer just online. It's entering real life. One ex-user, Felix, even said something that got people talking. He warned that Obi Cubana and Chief Priest should be careful, that they might be biting more than they can chew. Now, whether you agree or not, one thing is clear: public perception is shifting. And then, some people even brought a deeper example. They referenced what happened to Ike Ekweremadu in Germany during an Iriji festival. Many of you already know that story. The point they were trying to make is this: there's a certain level of tolerance, and when people feel that line has been crossed, especially Igbos, reactions can change, regardless of who you are.
come back. Hold him there, hold him there, hold him there, hold him there.
Status at this point doesn't matter, and if you go through reactions online, you see that even some people in the diaspora are expressing disappointment, especially the Igbos in the diaspora. Some comments are even going as far as saying they expect similar reactions if the celebrities show up abroad. Now that one is very deep. But honestly, maybe they calm down for this country, because at the end of the day, this raises some important questions. Is Cubana Chief Priest really losing relevance, or is it just a temporary backlash? Is this about politics or just changing public sentiment? Because one thing about fame is this: the same crowd that cheers you today can switch up on you tomorrow. So what do you think? Was that reaction in Abuja justified, or did the crowd just went too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk.
Abuja, if you're ready, let's receive Chief Priest.
Shout out to everybody who came out tonight to support my brother, Choose the General.